Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me these two files. This is what they want to fill in. This is what they want it to look like. I'm actually going to check it with a yellow box trick to see if there's anything there. Go to Object, Order, Backup Page, and it's good. So his problem is he's got a lot of these to do, and I guess they're all different. And if you just go and try to right click, it fills in the stars, it fills in the part of the A. I don't know why this would happen because they already are a curve, but if I select them all and go up to Object and combine them, and then when I right or I left click fill, it does it perfectly. Let's look at it under a yellow box trick. Just make sure everything's okay. Order, backup page, and you're good to go. For some reason, you have to combine them. I don't even think you could group them. That's the difference between combine and group. Let's just try it. Let's try to group. See, it's a curve. So if you break the curve apart, you get that, and then you could left click, but it still fills in the part of the A. So with that said, from the original file you sent me, just go to Object and combine it, and then you can left click and just make sure it's a hairline, so you could right click, no outline. It'll be a little bit thinner item, and just in case you're cutting something else out on it. It's a pretty cool graphic. I just noticed the rifles in the flag part. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.